Now, remember we are still on what? Second geometry. Now we have this question that in the diagram below, calculate the angle EAD, angle EAD. Now remember, anytime you're giving a question in second geometry, always look at the middle alphabet. Now you see EAD, what's the middle one? A, and you can see something like an N on it. That is the angle you're always asked to calculate. You get? Now let's look at this. How can we locate EAD from this diagram? This is E, this is A, and this is T. That means it's in this triangle. But this A now, that's the value of X. That's what we are looking for. You get? Because that's where I'm A. The middle one is what we are always looking for. Now, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. Now, what is a cyclic quadrilateral? You know, a quadrilateral is a four-sided shape. A four-sided shape is known as a quadrilateral. And if a four-sided shape is inscribed in a circle, it is known as a cyclic quadrilateral. You get? Now, what I mean by inscribed is if a four-sided shape is being put inside of a circle, just as you know, this is a four-sided shape. 1, 2, 3, and 4. See, it is that 4 points that is inside the circle. So once a four-sided shape is being put in a circle, is known as a cyclic quadrilateral. Hope you get. Now let's go straight into the question. Now we are asked to calculate the value of what angle EAD, that is angle here. How can we do this? We only have one angle if you don't know here, we don't know here. How are we going to do it? Now it's very simple. A theorem is being given in second geometry, and that theorem states that opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Supplementary. Now, what's the opposite angle? The opposite angle is that side facing the angle. Just as you're watching me now in this video, you that you're looking at me, you're opposite to me. You get? So this angle here, the side that faces this angle is this side. You can see this is the side that faces, and this other side, and the opposite of this side is this. But for this angle B, which is 102, the side that faces it is what? D, this angle here. That's the side that faces the angle. And we say that the opposite sides of a cyclic quadrilateral are what? Supplementary. When we say supplementary, it means the angle is equal to what? 180. You get? That's what it means. It means the angle is equal to 180. So I can say since the opposite angles, the sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. The sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. I'm going to add 102 degree plus. Since I don't know the value of this angle, let me call it y. So plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Y. Always put the proof while solving second geometry. When you put a statement like this, 102 degrees plus y is equal to 180. You always tell us y, and then you now tell us sum of opposite angles of a quadrilateral. Always, if you cannot put it, you have to put a four-sided shape. Supplementary. You get it? Now this is always remember this, so you can have your homework. You get it? Now if this is equal to 180, it implies that my y will be equal to 180 degrees minus 102 degrees. So my y will be equal to 180 minus 102. So 180 minus 102 degrees is what? 78 degrees. Now I'm plotting my y here to what? 78 degrees. Now look at this is a straight line. This is a straight line. So if I want to have this other angle, remember how will I do it? I know that the sum of angles on a straight line is equal to what? 180. So if I should, let me call this other side f. The sum of the angles on the straight line is equal to 180. So since here is f, I don't know here. I can say f plus 78. Remember, this angle y is 78. I can say 78 plus f or f plus 78 is equal to what? 180 degrees. You get? So my f will be equal to 180 minus 78 degrees. You get? So my f will be equal to 180 minus 78, which is the same thing as what? 102 degrees. So you can now see, if I have gotten f here to be what? 102, I can now add it plus here to have here, right? So I can now say our f is also 102, so I can say 102 degrees plus 47, that's for this one, plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because of what? The sum of angles triangle is what 180 degrees, which means the total angle in this triangle is equal to what 180 degrees. So I have here my area was 102. So I can simply say 102 plus 47 degrees is equal to what 149. So I can say 149 plus x is equal to what 180. Now I'll take my x to be what 180 minus 149 degrees, and my x will be equal to what 180 minus 149 degrees, and x is equal to what 31 degrees. Remember, this angle x is the angle EAD. EAD. So I can now say, therefore, angle EAD. I can say angle EAD is equal to what 31 degrees, and that is what will form the solution to this problem. You get, just as I told you, I will simply say therefore. Let's go this side. I will say therefore, EAD is equal to what 180 degrees. So I'll say EAD is equal to 180 degrees. No, sorry, it won't be 180 to what 31 degrees. So you see, I'll say angle EAD. This angle EAD is equal to what 31 degrees, and that forms the solution to this problem. Now, if you find this video interesting, make sure you like this video, comment on this video, and share this video to that your friend that has been seeing several geometry and run the road. Share this video to that person. I'll see you in my next class. Bye bye.